Hey, how's it going folks? ET here with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to convert that dreaded 4K WebM video that comes out of your PS5 into something you can edit with. And the first thing you're going to do is go to Google and search for Handbrake download. And go to this site, it's handbrake.fr, and you're going to download a piece of software called Handbrake. And this will allow you to actually convert from WebM to something more usable like MP4. Okay, so I already have this installed on my system. Let me go ahead and open it up and I'll show you the presets that I actually use. I do have some footage from Monster Hunter World that I just captured on my PS5. So I'll go on that. And one thing you'll notice that WebM usually shows up as a Chrome icon basically. And you can actually right click and open it with Chrome and it'll play it. But if you want to get it into an editor like Final Cut Pro, iMovie, or DaVinci Resolve, you pretty much right now you have to do this conversion, which sucks. Hopefully PlayStation fixes it, but it's been a few years now and they haven't done anything, so maybe we're just stuck with it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on that and say open. And it's going to open up in this little converter window here. And what I've done is I've kind of experimented with different exports. And what I usually do is in the presets here, I go to Web and Creator 2160p by 64K. So that's pretty much what I use. So I'll set that there and I'll make sure this is MP4. And then I'll go down here and I'm going to actually name the file what I want it to be. But make sure you leave that MP4 extension there. Okay, and now you're going to hit that start button up here and you're going to wait for it to have to convert. And the time it's going to take to convert will depend on what kind of system you have. I have a MacBook Pro here with a pretty decent chip in it, but we'll see. It was a pretty long video, but let me go ahead and hit start and I'll catch you on the end. There we go, it's finished. And now it's sitting here right on the desktop here. So let's go ahead and get some info about this and see what it is. We do have a 3840 by 2160 MPEG-4, which is MP4, using H.264, so the conversion is successful. And the true test will be, let me go ahead and open up a video editor. I'll open up iMovie since it'll be the fastest to open. And in theory, we just go ahead and import video from desktop. Monster Hunter 4K, boom, it recognized it. And now we are in business. We have our wonderful 4K footage here. Okay, and if iMovie will read it, Final Cut Pro will read it, DaVinci will read it, and pretty much every video editor on the planet should be able to read it. All right, I think that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching as usual. Peace and aloha. We'll see you next time.